Why?
Don't.
We.
Change.
Okay.
If you really have no deep love, affection for them, if you had, you would prevent all wars. So apparently, none of these things mean anything to you. All probably you're so deeply conditioned psychologically. Of course, we are biologically conditioned, that's a different matter altogether. But psychologically conditioned. And one is not aware of